आपको हरा के क्या मिलेगा? Thing is to play well
I am
and
playing
become
to beat you, and I am going to play to be for beating you only. That is it. For me, the main victory will be if I defeat your student, which I will, and the world will watch. Sagar, I'm giving this to you in writing, and then you will be down. All right. Both are like this. And on this perfect note, let's play the disc. And what a note to play the disc. And Sagar, I would like to thank you, but I will not like to because you know our history goes back. I'm going to crush you.
Oh my god, this
All
is
this
so
confidence,
funny.
this arrogance that today you won will be crushed.
आज तो easy win हो गया दोनों समय.
Oh,
Easy win.
even
और
I
ऐसे
feel
ही.
bad. Sagar, even I
No,
would
no, no,
involve.
Kenny, don't worry. You first game, the brain was malfunctioning, in the second the hand, so you have nothing to worry about. And
I'm sorry, Samay, I let you down. We'll come back.
No,
Samay.
no. Even my master let me down.
no,
But anyway,
don't make teams with him. और
Hey.
वो वाला song भी सुना उनको. There is type after this you listen, type बेवफा समय on YouTube. There's
Yeah.
one more song.
because
Listen to
because
that
this is
also.
dictatorship, I will. You can watch it after the stream. Okay.
Wait, so you made a response track?
he made a song, and then I made a response track.
Wait, so shouldn't I see his song first?
Okay, fine. Let's do that. But Kenny, let's do it in a way that we both played at the same time, right?
What?
One second, I'll tell you. You just go to just type Bewafa Samay on YouTube.
Okay. Oh, acha, you want to show it to the audience? I understood. Bewafa Samay.
Beautiful.
Got
Thank
it.
you.
Found it. Oh,
Okay.
6 days ago. This is a really recent.
A recent controversy. So when I say 3,
I'm ready.
2, 1, that time you'll play so that you can also hear at the same time as we make the chat here. Okay.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, play.
COB3 जीतने की डेडिकेशन COB3 जीतने की डेडिकेशन तू क्या जाने रे बेवफा समय
Wow, this is so nice. I love the beat.
बेवफा समय बेवफा समय बेवफा समय
I love the T series type thumbnail also.
तू समस्या है भैया रोलाने की तुझे तपस्या है भैया सूर्य को लेके तो सुबह ही डूबेगा सागर में तुझे ना मिलेगी नैया हाँ करूंगा छैया तेरी मैं हार पे करूंगा छैया सागर का भाव सुनो तूने कहा था कचरा के लाके हद करे ना
Yes, it's got a South Indian vibe, dude.
Let's copy it.
What is this Kachra thing that's coming up?
He said Kachra to me.
Oh. I love the way
अरे
it's
you
produced.
don't know dedication गांगुली को भी होगी फ्रस्ट्रेशन जानू मेरे बेवफा समय
बेवफा समय.
अरे बेवफा समय के गैम्बिट है तू बेवफा समय सेगमेंट होगा रे तू बेवफा समय गूगल मीट हो या Zoom
बेवफा समय
समय टेंशन नहीं लेगा तू ही हारेगा
Wow.
Okay, so
Wow.
that was their song.
Sagar, did you sing in this as well?
No.
He was the
Oh.
mastermind. Devin is my member on YouTube. He told me that Sagar, he came to Sagar with the idea and he's like, yeah, let's do it. So yeah, Sagar,
This is a multiple backstabbing happened, dude.
There were 3
By
people,
the way,
Devin, Dhiren and Sarthak. They 3 made this song very nicely. It's
Okay.
Samay, this is a very fun entry track for your stand-up when you do.
Yeah.
It's actually fun. I'm not saying it's
Bewafa
sarcastic.
Samay is a great
Kagar.
special name also.
It's a great entry track.
beautiful. Thank you. Big thank you.
I feel
Mazak
now
mein
when
bolo,
Samay walks into a stage, he'll hold a green screen behind him. Walk towards. Guys, you can key me anytime. Okay. Cool. I'm playing Samay's
okay.
response.
Yeah, please don't put the link of this video in description in the chat. Please don't do that. So
Fine.
Kenny, the thing is, I called his whatever he taught me that didn't work with me. So one day I just said it. I said it's garbage what he taught me.
It happens. It slips.
And yeah, and he took it so seriously that he fat shamed me. Okay.
He fat
Yeah,
shamed
he
you.
said.
That's not cool.
I said.
That's not cool.
I said my new trainer Surya will make me. Will train me and I'll do anything. I'll run with a tire behind my back. And he said, "Why do you need a tire when the tire is right on you?" And I was like,
Oh,
"Okay,
that's
now,
not
okay,
cool, man.
Sagar, it's on." So then I made the disc. Yeah.
Okay. Should I do that whole thing? That
1 second.
countdown?
Yeah, I'm doing it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, play.
सागर
Nice.
सागर सागर
Okay.
भाई
Already points for visuals. Already points.
Thank you.
सुना मैंने आपका गाना
Oh damn!
हारूंगा
There's a
विश्वास है।
dialogue.
डिस्क किया मुझे आप BM JNK Gambit
So dramatic.
सागर
This
भाई
is so good.
Yeah.
It's on, bro. It's on like Donkey Kong.
Full
If you poke the
Rockstar and
dragon.
anyway vibe.
Man,
The dragon will poke
so
you.
cool.
सागर शाह मैं पागल था तुझे समझा इस मूवी का गोविंदा तू निकला कादर खां अब बाहर आके गाना गा के बोला मैं हूँ बेवफा
Whoa.
जीत ये जरूरी मेरे लिए जैसे जाकिर के लिए बादल हाँ जस्ट बेस इंडिया के लिए खोई थी
Wow.
मैंने मेरी निंदिया 100 दिन दिया पर तूने मुझे कभी नहीं बिन दिया बस पिंग किया स्ट्रिंग किया
बादल खान ने क्या किया यार, बेचारा?
जूस पीता ब्राइट स्टूडेंट था मैं तेरी लूसीना ने डिम किया कचरे से तुझे दिक्कत है मुझे मोटापे पे डिस किया हंसा था मैं भी बाहर लेकिन भीतरली मैंने मिस किया तूने मिस किया मेरे इमोशंस को मिस किया सागर शाह स्टूडेंट था मैं अब सूर्या का मैं शिष्या विश्वास से क्या हारूंगा मैं जीता उसके टीचर से वो पौधा बंजर मैं वो कमल जो सीधा निकले कीचड़ से
Damn.
स्टूडेंट्स को तेरे करूंगा मैं बीट अप देख मेरा वर्जन सबसे लेटेस्ट तेरे बच्चों का वीक अपडेट रेड बुल पीता हूँ मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए फ्रूटी लाओ सागर में डूबेंगे वो जैसे हो वो एक टूटी ना योर स्टूडेंट्स आर टू बीट आउट बस एक ओपनिंग आती उनको और पूछो आता क्या बोले लूसीना लूसीना you'll see now I'll punch them like I'm Bruce Lee now मैं सुंदर बचपन से तुम लगाते हो सारे ब्यूटी पाओ डर के रहना ना आ जाए कोई चोर E4 E5 खेल के देखो खेलूं मैं F4 तेरे विश्वास का करूं कल्याण मैं चल यहाँ से सूर्या से लूं मस्त ज्ञान मैं बस ध्यान से रहना अब मैं जीतूंगा ये जैसे ये कॉमिक स्टार है
Oh, Comic Star name drop.
खेलो मैं ताल मूव मेरे हाथ चूम मेरे साथ घूम के सीखा आपने OBS का
I just realized Samay has been lip syncing the whole
मैं
time.
सूर्या की यूनिवर्सिटी में तुम सब सागर के स्कूल गए टेस्ट थंडर फेस में हंटर टेस्ट थंडर फेस में हंटर मेरी गेम देख के बोलेगा सागर अब फिर सब ब्लंडर सपने देख लो जीतने के ये जंगल
Oh, Sapan, you're doing this.
राजा मारूं कुशा का पिल्ला
I don't know why.
रेटिंग भी मेरी 1300 पर तुमसे मिलके हो गई लेस गांगुली के साथ करूं एक्चुअली इंप्रूविंग चेस कर लो क्लैश ड्रिंक आई डोंट केयर इफ माय वॉचिंग इज लेस सी यू ऑन COP3 बाय ले लो स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेस ले लो भाई
Oh wow.
आई एम ब्रूइंग चेस एक्चुअली मिलते हैं सीधा बोर्ड पे 19 नवंबर
Wow, the humility is gone out the window.
और टेंशन मत लो सागर भाई जीतूंगा मैं
Bye.
और वो भी JNK Gambit से
Okay. I didn't even realize the fire pit I'm walking into.
Yeah. You're in it now.
Yeah, so
You're a
you
part
are
of it.
in
You
this
know,
live.
you have fulfilled the role of your teacher, because the first time we were into a fight, Vidit was the one who came and put in a lot of petrol and made it even bigger. Today you have
Yeah,
done
so
the same.
Kenny decides. You have the final word, Kenny. Because Sapan is already biased. He's training under Sagar. So who do you think? Whose dish was better and why was it mine?
Okay, to be honest, I liked Samay's better.
Thank you so much, guys. That was the
Because-
stream. Thank you for coming.
Just production wise, I'm like, there were lyrics, it was lip synced, there was graphics, there was I mean, I'm a sucker for that, so it's a
thank
bias.
you. Big thank you.
And the
Big
beat
thank
was
you.
pretty dope, but I also liked how unique and nice flavors Sagar's.
I can't hear.
Soothing.
One sec. We can't.
Some ways you can listen only once, while this one you can keep listening over and over.
Okay, guys. As you can see, you can't hear them on the stream.
I can't imagine the takes you took because
The
rapping.
only problem is that a lot of factual errors in them.
One
So-
second.
I see.
Can you guess in how much time I wrote that? And like I took inspiration
Really?
from you. Yeah. Can you guess?
You wrote it. That seemed like a lot
I
of work.
wrote it in 4 hours. At
No,
night.
that's insane.
In the morning, I was recording it. Next day, it was out. So yeah, just say.
That's incredible. And what about you, Sagar?
He didn't even write it.
I was training Biswa, so I had no time for all these things.
Okay,
And
okay.
he actually gave up his chess and also.
I
We will
see.
see. We'll see on the board. Sagar, this is not today. You came.
19th को देखते हैं ना
19th को
19th.
देखते हैं. We'll see on.
I just want to say I'm here for the love of the game.
Yes.
That's
That's what Sapan we.
सपने देख लो जीतने के भाई. सपने देख
मैं तो खेलने आया हूँ बस यार. Friendly matches, guys.
But
I'm a friend.
as they
Okay,
say,
we-
Aditi Devo Baba. Yes. Can you saying something?
No, it's just amazing how all your names are so good because you can have like synonyms in songs like Sagar mein Doob Jao and Samay and Sapan.
Yeah.
And it's pretty cool. My name is the worst to put into any rap.
Yeah, you can't do it.
Arey,
right?
you just win.
Not you can't do it. He can't do it. But can he do it?
This is why
is why
future
I'm-
of
On
chess
that note-
is in Samay's hands.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. But
Okay,
yes,
see
Saman,
you.
were you
This was a
saying
lot of
something?
fun. नहीं मैं निकल रहा हूँ. मुझे कहीं जाना था.
Thank you
मैं
so much,
भागने वाला
Sapan bhai, for coming.
See you.
Had a lot
Thank
of
you so
fun.
much.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Sagar
Thank you,
bhai.
Sapan.
Saman.
Thank you, Sagar.
Thanks, Kenny.
Thank
Lot
you
of fun.
समय क्योंकि सपन और हम लोग आज ट्रेनिंग नहीं होने वाला तो इधर हो गया
हाँ।
ट्रेनिंग. अच्छा
ट्रेनिंग तो 19th को होगा अभी आपका.
अभी हो गया ना
चलो.
ट्रेनिंग मतलब.
चलो मैं निकल रहा हूँ आपके साथ.
Never ends.
Bye Kenny.
Bye, Sagar. Nice to meet you, man.
Take care.
सागर
Nice.
सागर सागर
Okay,
भाई.
already points for visuals. Already points.
Thank you.
सुना मैंने आपका गाना.
Oh, damn.
हारूंगा
There's a
बिस्वा से.
dialogue.
डिस किया मुझे आपने. BM JNK Gambit.
So dramatic.